Testing of the Hermes Lite. I've tested with and without the companion board using Thetis version 2.10.3.6 x64 with the firmware of version 7.4.2. Protocol 1, HL2 Beta 1 by Now what we're going to do is we're going to have the two-tone and the PSA, so that is how the test is going to go. I'm going to hit the two-tone button. I'll drop it, two-tone button, drop it, and then you'll see where it actually rapidly goes transmit and off, on, off, on, off, on, off. Any suggestions? And there you go. Now that's running at 5 watts. It's a sealed system. It goes basically from the Hermes through the wattmeter to a dummy load. It's all using LMR 400 at this time. I've tried it with different cables. The network goes from the Hermes into a switch. I've tried it directly to a laptop, does the same thing. And I don't have any coupler or anything attached to it. So that's the test parameters. And looking for any advice at ve7ed.ed@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.